Hey everyone, today we're in Bottlemart in Fyshwick. As you can see, you have a walk-in refrigerator right here, as you can see. So let's check it out. So we have a Kirby evaporator, as you can see, with 2 fans on it. So that makes about 2 because there's only 1 evaporator in here. Pretty small actually. So yeah, it says Kirby right there, as you can see. And there's the coil at the back. Originally there was an older evaporator system right here, where this new one sits, right now, as you can see. So yeah, not much to see really. So that's about it really, and I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.